Can you beat the clock? Let's name all the car colors in under 5 seconds. Ready? Go!
Orange car. Black car. Dark blue car. White car. Red car. Aqua car. Purple car.
Is this too easy? Then let's try 2 colors.
Black and green car. Green and yellow bus. Blue and dark purple car.
We did it! We beat the clock! You named all the car colors in under 5 seconds. Way to go, team! Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my other videos.